Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use teamwork.com for digital content creation and management. First up, you need to create a project within teamwork.com. The reason we do this is to have a unique workspace for each of your content pieces. Simply click on Add Project, give it a relevant name, and add a short description for your reference. This helps us maintain organization and keep our projects separate. Now that we've set up our project, let's move on to creating tasks. Click on Add Task List, name it, and start populating it with tasks by clicking Add Task. Assign each task to a team member and set a due date. This step is crucial as it helps us break down our content creation process into manageable chunks and assign responsibilities. Next up, we'll explore how to use the Messages feature. This feature allows you to communicate with your team members directly within the project. Click on Add Message, write your message, and choose the recipients. This helps us because it allows for seamless communication and instant feedback right within the workspace. Now let's talk about file management. Click on Files in your project menu, then Upload Files. You can store all your content assets here, like images, documents, and videos. The reason we do this is to have a centralized space for all your digital assets, making them easily accessible for your entire team. Finally, let's cover the Time feature. Click on Log Time, select the task, and input the time spent. Here's why this matters. It helps you keep track of the time spent on each task, providing critical data for evaluating productivity and project timelines. And that's it. You're now equipped to use teamwork.com for digital content creation and management. Remember, the key to mastering any tool is regular use and exploration. So keep practicing and discovering new features. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.